I think it's important for me to select tracks for my set that are reflective of the diversity of traditional Palestinian music. I then begin to almost play the song itself as an instrument. I kind of select them based on the atmosphere that Nick begins to frame with more ambient sounds and ambient music.
I see like my role is sort of trying to support what Lou is doing, so I think I'm trying a lot to like listen very deeply to the sound that she's bringing out.
I think the concept of the encampment itself served as an inspiration for this kind of creative journey that Nick and I are going on. It's pretty eerie being back here after the fact and seeing kind of what was torn down and ironically what has remained.
What I would say to people is like, well, like look within yourself. Like what is it about this space that makes you feel uncomfortable? You know, an encampment is by definition and by design meant to be contentious, and it's meant to be uncomfortable. Of course they're radical spaces, but they were very much so not violent or militant in my experience. As I reflect on the performances, like maybe is like a way of us trying to reframe the perception of the encampment as like, again, as this like healing or positive or welcoming space. We have 5 minutes.
Oh, I see. Okay.
If you have something you want to finish on, just go for it.
Okay, so part of the growth I had to do as a young person navigating a deeply politicized identity is that it took a while for me to kind of build confidence in the ways that I express it. I think that the conversation on this identity sometimes feels like it's gone on without me in a way, and in this way I feel like I'm joining in but using my own kind of language that I feel more fluent in. I hope people have found a new way to appreciate Palestinian art and Palestinian music. I hope people were inspired to reflect on what's happening as they were listening. That they continue kind of this discovery journey with music.